camera for me saying I'll be near with this, you know. I'll go. Something I ain't sure.
Yeah, man. Sure, sure. I don't know what caused that.
No, man, that's one Kemar me drink when
Man, whole heap of production. You customer in a truck here with you?
yeah, man, one or two, you know?
Yeah. We're going to go for the next load of sand right now.
No.
All purpose is quarry.
Take time, come back.
Welcome to the channel, Daniel.
Yeah, man, I say, man, listen to me like today. You see?
Something I ain't sure.
Yeah, man.
Sure, sure. I don't know what caused that.
No, man, that's one Kemar me drink when
Kemar can't search short.
Alright, you say one some sand, so my uncle chick just have to do just that. Deliver.
Yeah, man.
Tell them I again.
Yeah, man, I'm not big up for themselves, you see me?
Uncle chick. Say cheese. Alright, we'll go up on the road I know, so we don't know when I go drive and use the camera. If I know me I use the camera and push, we can't get soft soap. I'm one of them too, you know. Look at it, it just a smile so.
Yeah,
How are you?
Yeah, man, I want to them, man.
Pull up on the quarry. I will load the truck right. Much an hour? 100 yard?
No, man, I don't want so much, you know.
I go load up the sand now. Boy, so you want to make up our house and we have to encourage that. You know,
I want to say things.
I ain't not heard it. I ain't not heard it. Yes, sir? 6, yes, sir?
yeah.
No, one bucket. Oh. I eat that. I'm on the boss, I build up the house. It's a great, you know. How far reach, you know? So you up so you don't do work on it?
Yeah, we start. Just not really holy for months. Before I come down, I say no.
Yeah man peeps, so this is a very tight spot as one can see. So Daniel have to run this up on the side and up a wire. He might do an excellent job. Yeah, I see, but might do an excellent job still much as in staff. Come back and listen to our Uncle Chip say. A very tight spot. Yeah man, so finally reach the Scottish spot, it have a tip off and now. Take time, come back. Yeah. What is this, son? Go back, go forward. Watch your front wheel. Watch that wheel in the door. Watch your wheel at the corner. Yeah.
All this done.
Low man. I tell you the low guys as I can see. We have to put some here and I after I check out this. Go forward.
Go down, lay back.
Nice, sunny. Put some here and I wheel on out, I kind of low.
Stop.
I'm going to use nothing soft.
Yeah, muffler hot, you know.
Feel it, man.
I'm going to go for the next load of sand right now.
No.
Yeah man, we pull up I quarry again and pick up our next load of sand. Big truck look like him a draw all purpose for his quarry. Yeah. No, see me Uncle Chip there already. Yeah man, load it right out. Give them one cab shield. Your customer and I truck with you?
Yeah man, one or two, you know?
Yeah.
Right man.
And one chip. So we're there, I go load up the truck here now and pick up some sand. So we just stay tuned and watch what I go on. I go hand over the camera to Uncle Chip's car. We don't have to drive and use the camera. Safety first. Yeah man, whole heap of production. go up there, I'll go up in the truck. Forward! Uncle. Customer then. Take your time with me, Ian. I have to tell them to take time with my truck, you know, because they won't mash them up, you know. Take your time! Take your time! Take your time, yeah. Alright. Big up my boss. Nice little load. You don't like that? I put more in there? I ain't good, you're good now. Oh, look. Yeah, put one more in there. Are you good? He said put one more in there, one more yard in there. He said, you know, look, you know. Like you would have want a little more, so put that next yard in there. Yo, my boss, my phone check here. May I load and come up? Oh, look at now, Osh. Oh, look. Look nice, I know. Nice, nice, nice.
So we're still reaching the location now. Just for a keep on for work. Hold him there, sir. Hold on. You're not in there?
Hold on. Don't move.
You're not in there? You know, you're about to check a safety pin in there.
You have to take bad things make joke, you know. The safety pin never ended. The safety pin never ended. No, the last time the safety pin did left tonight. So now I make sure I ask if the safety pin in there, Mr. Chip.
In there, man.
In there?
But you can wheel it again. Go on up with it. Oh. man, see this one here, nice load. Pretty. Here, they must say the sun's pretty like money.
Yeah, man, I know, man.
Yeah, man.
The last time I hold camera up and me saying up in the air with this, you know.
I'll go up. Can't do it again, man.
We not do it again, man. We'll play safe this time. No trouble.
Yeah, man, guys, night catcher. Yeah, man, go on up. Night catcher. So they are at the pier. Excellent job. Go on forward, rock it forward. Rock it forward. Go on, rock him. Go on up and rock him. Go on now, go on forward. Rock him, look more. Carry down your back now. You do an excellent job. Yeah, man, you do an excellent job. Couldn't get it better. You do an excellent job.
Remember, say me a hot driver, you know. Hot driver.
I never talk to you good and I talk to you and
no,
then I talk.
Everybody know that. I want Kemar, you know, man. That man's a nice load.
That man's a nice load.
Yeah,
Solid
man, I rain all come.
Can't complain, yeah, man, then can't say.
We couldn't even get for sure no all of them activity, but boy, we'd have to move fast. Because rain that come and want to reach them before rain. So, you know, stay tuned. You know, so whatever they are put in the work. Who they behind the scene?
You know, man. Uncle check.
One uncle.
Yeah, one uncle.
Yeah, man. So rain come, so we're going to just jump out now. And thanks for watching, guys. And please remember, like, share, and subscribe.